Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone!
Welcome to Day 10 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
In Day 9, you learned how to go shopping in English.
And today, we're going to learn how to ask for directions.
This is one of the most useful things you can learn in English. Because when you travel, or visit a new place, you may need to ask someone where something is.
In today's lesson, I will be the person who is lost.
And I will be the person helping.
So today, focus on my role. Focus on the person asking for directions.
Let's start with the most important question. If you need help, you can say,
Excuse me, where is the station?
that is a very useful question. You can change the place.
Excuse me, where is the hotel? Or where is the bank? Or where is the cafe?
Very good. Now let's look at some basic direction phrases. If someone says go straight, it means continue forward.
So you do not stop and you do not turn.
If someone says turn left, you go to the left side.
And if someone says turn right, you go to the right side.
Sometimes people also say it's on your left.
Or it's on your right.
These are very common phrases when people give directions.
So today you will learn how to ask for directions and how to understand simple answers.
In the next part, you're going to listen to a full conversation. Just listen first and try to understand the situation.
Then, later in the video, we'll practice the key phrases together.
And remember, in this lesson, Emma is the person asking for directions.
So later, when it's your turn to answer, you will answer like me.
So stay with us, and let's continue.
Now you're going to listen to a full conversation. So in these conversations, I am always the person asking for directions.
And I am always the person giving directions.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will answer like me.
You will be Emma. You will be the person who is lost.
So first, just listen, understand the situation, and get familiar with the phrases.
Then in the final part, we will practice together.
Excuse me,
Yes?
where is the station?
The station? Go straight, then turn left. Then go straight again. It's next to the bank.
Go straight, then turn left, and it's next to the bank?
Yes, that's right.
Is it far?
No, not very far. About 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now let's listen to another example. Excuse me,
Yes?
where's the hotel?
The hotel? Turn right at the cafe. Then go straight. It's on your left.
Turn right at the cafe, then go straight, and it's on my left?
Exactly.
Is it near here?
Yes, it is. Only a few minutes.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem.
Now, one more example. Excuse me,
Yes?
where's the bank?
The bank? Go straight, then turn right at the supermarket. It's on your right.
Go straight, then turn right at the supermarket.
Yes. And then look on your right.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now, let's listen to one more short conversation. Excuse me,
Yes?
where's the cafe?
The cafe? Go straight. It's next to the hotel.
Next to the hotel?
Yes, that's right.
So I don't need to turn?
No, just go straight.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Now that you listened to the full conversation, let's practice the most important phrases together.
This time, repeat the key phrases out loud after us.
This is the moment to speak. And don't worry about being perfect.
Excuse me, where is the station?
Excuse me, where is the hotel?
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn right.
It's on your left.
It's on your right.
Very good.
Now let's practice a few longer phrases.
Go straight and turn left.
Turn right at the cafe.
It's next to the bank.
It's near the hotel.
You can't miss it.
Very good.
Now it's your turn. Remember, you are me. You are the person asking for directions.
So answer like Emma. You want to go to the station. What do you say? You want to go to the hotel. What do you say? You want to go to the bank. What do you say? You want to go to the cafe. What do you say?
Excellent. Now, one more time, a little faster.
Ask for the station. Ask for the hotel. Ask for the bank. Ask for the cafe.
Very good. Today you learned how to ask for directions in English.
And this is only day 10.
Tomorrow, we're going to the airport.
So you can talk about flights, gates, and travel problems.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 11.
See you tomorrow.